Hello lovelies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about subscription boxes. So these are the things you order online and you get a little surprise every month for little special things you get in a box. So today we're specifically talking about a beauty box, and will you tell us about this?
Yes, so today we're going to be talking about the Allure Beauty Box, which I just got in the mail, and we're going to open it up right here, now.
I can't wait.
Okay. Can you guys see that?
Ooh.
Okay. So it looks like we've got, there's some promo codes inside here, but it looks like they're actually talking about the different products that come in my little bag.
Oh, those are the products that are in the box.
Yeah, it looks like there's description in all of it, so I'll look at that later.
Okay, nice.
But it comes in a cute little red plastic see-through bag. There's like two little snaps right here you can see on it. And let's start.
What do we have?
Okay, it looks like first we've got the original Beauty Blender. It's those tiny little sponges that you can use for like your foundation or eyeshadow, getting into small little areas. So that's mine. You go.
I love it.
You dig
Okay.
in next.
What's next? I can't wait. I hope I know what this is, Anne. Okay, it is A+ high dose retinoid serum. And I don't know what that is. Tell me.
So serum is like life. You have to have serum.
Do I need serum?
Yes, Mama.
I
should
need
use
serum.
So serum is really great after you wash your face on a clean face, when your pores are usually just kind of more open at that point, to put the serum in. It's just a deeper penetrating.
So part of a morning ritual?
Morning or evening.
Okay, wash your face, put the serum on.
Serum on, and then you would follow with like a night cream or a day cream or something like that.
Okay, I need this, friends. I need serum.
Yes, this is really good to not have wrinkles. So, okay, next we have got, I don't even know how you say this. It's Doucce. Relentless Matte Lip Crayons. This is great. I love these because you actually can line your lips and then fill it all in. So it's like that 2-for-1.
Oh.
And this is in Winterberry.
Huh. You know what? That's a great reminder to not just throw the lipstick on, but to take the time to do the liner.
Line your lips for sure.
We have got, NCLA nail polish. It is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So, Anne, we have happy vegetables, happy animals, happy people. This is a gorgeous color. I love it.
It is. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's like a really beautiful, like, pink, right?
Yes.
With a hint of coral, maybe.
It is. It's very close. I like it.
Okay, next, drum roll, please. OUAI. I don't speak French.
No, but that looks very exciting.
Okay, but it's scalp and body scrub. And I will say I can get dry scalp. So I am excited to try this to maybe like, before I take a shower, scrub it on my scalp and see if that kind of like helps. So this will be great.
Oh, that is really nice. Because you're right, dry scalp in the winter is the
No
worst. Okay, what do we have next? I'm just gonna reach in here. Okay, it is C.E.O. Glow. Vitamin C and turmeric face oil. Ooh, I like that. Advanced vitamin C, turmeric, and an evening primrose to brighten, hydrate, and glow. I love this.
Yum.
Girl, I need some glow.
We need some glow.
Especially this winter.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, for sure. And last but not least, we have, what do we have here? We have Mally, which is an eye color shadow stick. Let's see, what is this? This is in burnished bronze.
Oh, I like that.
Okay, let's see. Can we see that go on here? Can you guys see that?
Where do you put that?
Well, you could just do on your eyelids, I'm not going to do it because I have...
Oh, yeah.
But like in the crease, that's where you usually want to do like the darker. So this is great too, like if you were in a pinch and you didn't have eyeliner, you could even just kind of line your eyes too.
I like it. Give them that little pop.
Just a little pop. So there you go.
Okay, so Anne, what do you think? Overall, how would you rate this box?
So I would give this box, out of 10, I would give it an 8. I think it's actually a really, really great box. They had a special coupon code and it was $10 for the first initial one. And then from there on, it's around 60 and some change. I think it's great for the price.
Well, yeah. That's an amazing deal.
And it's not just, they're a little bit bigger than sample size and some are actually full size. So I think it's a great deal.
Well, and it's just fun to get something in the mail and open it up and be surprised with some new beauty things you might not just try on your own.
Yeah, totally. So,
well, thanks for joining us. Please don't forget, hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up and join us next time. Thanks. Douche?
That's not right.
Luxury nail lacquer. Lacquer.
Lacquer. Lacquer. We got it.
Okay, should I do that again?
Yes. We've got to speed everything up.
Okay, we got to speed it up because we just got it.
We're like,
wah, wah, wah. Okay, so what do we have next?
Sorry.
Try to take the energy levels up. Pull this together. Okay.
Deep breaths, deep breaths. We can do this.
You look at me with, you're so eager. I love it.
Like, what do we have?
We're little eager beavers over here. Okay.
No.
Okay.
We just move on to the next product.
Okay, wait. I can do this.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can kind of get into like the nooks and crannies when you're blending your music.
We could blend our music, but we could also blend our makeup.
It's like an earbud, right?
It's an earbud.